Hi, I'm Rob Westover. In this video, we'll cover pre-installation verification, installation, and inspection of DTIs per AISC RCSC Section 7, 8, and 9. But before we dive in, always follow your project-specific documents. What we're showing here follows the AISC RCSC standard, but your site may have its own requirements. Step 1, pre-installation verification. We're starting with PIV as outlined in Section 7. This step confirms your bolt assembly, tools, and method can achieve the correct tension before anything is installed in the structure. For this demo, I'm using a 7/8 inch A325 bolt assembly and a hydraulic load cell with a battery-operated reaction wrench. This setup includes a bolt, a flat washer, a nut, and DTI with a DTI installed on the nut side. This is the simplest configuration since both the wrench and the DTI are on the same side. We insert the bolt on the back of the Skidmore, DTI bumps facing out, washer against the bumps, then thread on the nut. Step 2, snug-tight. Snug-tight means firm contact between the steel plies, either with a few hits of an impact wrench or full effort from an ironworker using a hand tool. I'll give the wrench a short pull, just enough to move the needle. As long as we don't pass the target tension, we're good. And that's snug. Step 3. Now we tighten to 5% above minimum pretension as shown in table 7.1. For a 7/8 inch A325, that's 41,000 pounds of tension or 41 kips. I'll tighten in one smooth motion, no bumping, no stop start, just like we do in the field. Then we check with a 5 thou tapered feeler gauge. This DTI has 5 bumps and we need the gauge to reach the bolt shank in at least 3 out of the 5 gaps. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All touched, that's a pass. Step 4. This time we want more than half of the gaps to refuse the gauge. That means the gauge should not reach the bolt shank. I'll give it a bit more torque, then check again. Looks like we've got 2 acceptances and 3 refusals. That's good. Step 5. Final tension check. In this last step, confirm the tension is still above 41 kips. It is, so this assembly passes PIV. And don't forget, you need to repeat this process on 3 assemblies for each lot length and grade you plan to install. If all 3 pass, that lot is cleared for installation. But if you switch bolt types or combinations, you'll need to do a new PIV test.